So Lee, we're going to do some toe tapping or lifting the foot. So here you're seated. Now notice if you're seated heavier on your right sit bone. Yeah. So it's not so much about moving your upper body over, but by dropping the weight of your left sit bone, maybe feeling a little bit more left hamstring. Does that make sense? So like you're pushing your left heel down a little bit more.
Okay.
Can you feel how that pulls you over to the left just a touch?
Yeah.
That makes sense? Okay. So first we're going to make sure that the hip and the knee and the second toe are in line. Your heel is heavy, and you're going to float the top of the left foot up to tap. Toes come up, and you tap the floor. Try to keep that line of hip, knee, second toe. Good. And you can do that 8 to 10 times. And then keeping the weight on the left heel and the left sit bone, squeezing the inner leg, which we found to help with the groin injury. The right foot is going to lift up, keeping the heel heavy. And try not to let the big toe come up higher than the pinky toe. Want to lift the pinky toe like there's a little puppet string on the pinky toe. Dial your foot into the center just a little bit more. It's going out to the right a little bit. Dial it in.
I'm trying.
Yes, there you go. Even if it's less range of motion. Does that feel okay on the groin injury?
I mean, I feel it, but I'm not,
So back off a little bit if it feels like it's too much, and draw your belly in and uplift your spine out of your pelvis. Sink your rib cage, but draw your belly in and up. Yeah, like you're putting on a deep corset. Does that feel okay?
Yeah. I don't usually put on deep corsets.
Well, you have a deep corset already. You just have to put it on. Lace it up the natural deep corset.
I it's Victorian and wonder what. Never mind.
But if you have your natural corset on, then you don't need to put on a Victorian corset. I know. So how's that feel?
I
Does it
still
get tight?
feel it in the groin.